Hi everyone, today we are going to be learning about synonyms. Understanding synonyms. Synonyms are different words with similar meanings. Synonyms help make your writing more colorful and smart. A synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. The word happy and joyful are synonyms because they are almost the same. The word big and large are synonyms because they are the same. Why do we use synonyms? A synonym is a word that has the same or nearly the same meaning as another word, such as small and tiny, angry and mad. We use synonyms to make our writing more interesting and more attractive. Here is an example of how synonyms make our writing more interesting. I could say, I was happy to be home. Or I could use a synonym and say, I was overjoyed to be home. Synonyms allow us to express ourselves in more interesting ways. Synonyms make things interesting by helping you to avoid repeating the same words over and over again. So let's try that again. Instead of saying, I was tired that day, I could use a synonym and say, I was exhausted that day. Using synonyms also shows that you understand the meaning of words and their tone. Another example is, instead of saying, I finished the puzzle, you could use a synonym and say, I completed the puzzle instead. Some everyday synonyms include words like fast and quick, as well as cold and chilly, or smart and intelligent, as well as start and begin. Once you begin to understand synonyms, you will see that they are all around you and they can make life so much fun. For example, you could say, you excite me, or you inspire me, or you affect me, or you galvanize me, or you spark me. What an interesting person you'll become by using synonyms. Words have so many synonyms. For example, you could say, I feel glad today, or I feel cheerful today, or I feel joyful today, or I feel elated today, or I feel pleasant today. These are all synonyms that will make your writing powerful and get more marks in the exams. Remember that it is important to use your synonyms in context, which means to use them in the right place. So, for example, when you say he was angry, you could also say he was furious. Or when you say she is a smart student, you could also say she is an intelligent student. Change the word, but remember to keep the meaning. Synonyms versus antonyms. Antonyms are the opposite of synonyms. Synonyms have the same meaning. Happy is the same as joyful. Antonyms are words with the opposite meaning. Happy is opposite to sad. We will learn more about antonyms in a different lesson. How should we learn synonyms? Use a thesaurus. This is a synonym dictionary. You can group words together by topic, for example, emotions, size, or actions. Use flashcards. Practice in writing and speech. Learning synonyms improves your vocabulary and you will sound very intelligent. Well done, everyone. Now you are a synonyms master. Don't forget to memorize all the rules.